Hi, I'm Isavella, a scientist here at CN Bio, and I work in the R&D toxicology team. Today, I took on the challenge to teach our Director of Sales, Joe, a novice at Organ on a Chip, how to use our multi-chip plates. Before we're ready to start seeding, we need to prime our plates. We have a range of multi-chip plates, but for today's demonstration, we'll be using the Liver 12 plate. It contains 12 individual chips that allows you to test for 12 individual conditions. What we need to do first is mount our plate onto the driver. And to do that, we have this notch here which aligns perfectly with the driver. So what we have to do is pull the lever on the driver, and then the plate should slide through and align perfectly with the driver. Then we have to push down, and we're ready to begin. And now to prime our plate, we need to add media to each of the wells to ensure that the plate is wetted prior to seeding. So all we have to do is take media and insert it in this corner of the well. The controller has preset flow conditions for each stage. So for now, we'll select prime, which will push down the media around the wells until we're ready to seed tomorrow. Before we start seeding our cells, we need to add seeding media to our Liver 12 plate. Another thing to note is that when you're pipetting media in your wells, it's good practice to always use a shallow notch on the side of the well. And these allows the media to flow into the well nicely without disrupting any of the cells and tissue. Obviously we don't have cells now, but it's just good practice to do that. So next up is the seeding of the actual cells, and it's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is use these wide bore tips. This is because when we're using cells like hepatocytes, they're quite large and we don't want to cause any stress from pipetting. Pipette your cell suspension volume, and then using a figure-8 motion, you lower your pipette, touching the media in the well, and you swirl the cell suspension, ensuring that you cover all the pores in the scaffold.
Thanks for explaining all that to me. So as the sales guy who has never done this, I'm gonna have a go at introducing the media and seeding the cells, something I've never done. So I'm really excited to give this a try and really show everyone how easy this is. So I'll start with my pipette. Get the media in there. Finding the notch. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to seed the cells. And you said figure-8 motion.
And that's it. Pretty easy.
Let's take it over to the incubator and load it up. All right, so I'm gonna open the incubator, load the docking station, slides right in and locks into place. And that's it. It's easier than you think. So now that it's loaded into the incubator, what's next?
After seeding the cells, we start the seeding function, which is an automated program that pushes the cells down into the scaffold. Tomorrow we change the media and leave the cells over the weekends to form tissues, and then on Monday we can start using them. After 4 days of maintaining, the cells should start forming microtissues in the pores of the scaffolds.
So you can begin dosing at day 4.
Exactly.
It's easier than you think.